connect a battery, the first thing you need to notice is that the positive terminal is located with the plus sign, the negative terminal with a negative sign. That makes sense, right? You also need to pay attention to the color of the cable. Red is positive. If you look at the end of the terminal post here, the clamp, we have a battery bolt. The battery bolt has a square head. It needs to fit on here so it doesn't turn. Goes right, the red gets hooked up first on the positive side of the battery. There's an adjustable nut that threads onto the battery bolt on the other side, pinches the clamp on there. Take a 1/2 inch ratchet in this case, or you could take a 1/2 inch combo wrench. Might take a little longer, but make sure that this battery clamp and this cable is tightly attached. You do not want your battery coming loose on your car. The cable should not move. The ground cable, the black cable, gets hooked up second. Again, battery bolt has a square head and an adjustable nut. Go ahead, tighten that down. Call me over. Show me that you have the battery connected. Alright? Once you do that, I'll check, make sure neither of these move, and then you're going to go ahead and disconnect the battery. You always connect this one first, connect this one second, but upon removal, you want to disconnect this one, the negative first, disconnect the positive second. You want to be real careful that you never, ever touch a tool, metal tool like this, from one battery post to the other. It'll create a short, it'll create a spark. If you take both fingers and touch it on the battery post, nothing happens. But a tool will create the connection. So again, removing the battery, remove the ground first, remove the positive second.